How true is it when Marcus Aurelius said, "What a gift it is to be at the rock bottom, to be stripped of your own pride, ego, and the illusions you once clung to." Totoong totoo to nung na-dialysis ako 7 years ago. Dahan-dahan kong na-realize how not good of a man I was because I thought I'm better than I actually was. Yung mawalan ka ng kaibigan, ng school, and yung ability mo or yung freedom mo na you could be in a relationship with people or you could have interacting with people. Even my identity was stripped away from me. I don't know what to be kasi hindi ko na nagagawa yung mga bagay na gusto kong gawin. So, after nun, doon ko na-realize yung humanities ko, yung imperfections ko, and yung mga illusions na yon nawala. I almost fell into depression. Maybe I did fell into depression. But doon ko dahan-dahan na-realize na walang-wala pala talaga ako. But at the same time, nakita ko yung posibilidad na there's so much more about me that I can improve. And I became an empty vessel, which means I can take whatever I want to be, or I can build something that I want to be. I can just manifest the things that I want to because I am nobody. I'm a nobody now. That's who I am. And yung mga impurities mo rin and even your own ideas of yourself, yung own bias of yourself, all of that is gone. But there's so much things you realize na pwede mo rin palang ma-improve at na pwede mo pang maka-better in order for you to really get what you want and to really deserve it. Mawawala yung ego mo, yung pagka-immature mo, and you slowly develop your character. That's why if you're at the rock bottom right now, cherish it and see the possibility yourself because you can be so much more and you're capable of doing that. You're worthy as a person. Kahit na you realize that you're nothing. Kasi doon mo rin ma-realize na napakarami pa ng tao nagmamahal sa'yo and yung totoong importante sa buhay, doon mo ma-realize yun. That's why treasure that you being at the rock bottom. Because one day you're probably going to miss it. And I'm probably going to miss this. Who knows, right? But what else can we do but move forward?